Here I've got Huawei P30 Lite, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon and select My Apps and Games. And now here you've got all applications that can be updated, so you can either pick one particular application that you would like to update, for example Facebook, just click on Update, and here you can observe the progress, so at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. And as you can see, now we've got 64%, so just a few more minutes, a few more seconds actually. And that's it. As you can see, this application has been updated. Now you will find it right here, but also you can update all applications at once. Just tap on Update All, and then it will be done. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. It's up to you what you will do, because it will be all done at the background. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily update apps on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.